Welcome to the poster titled Insensitivity of Visual Segmentation to Higher Order Statistics Reflects Redundancy in Natural Images. In this work, we compare the contribution of spectral and of Portilla-Simoncelli statistics to image segmentation in humans. Local statistics describe the local texture in an image. Spectral statistics are among the simplest of these, and they are second-order statistics, meaning that they are equivalent to pairwise pixel correlations. They are also associated with selectivity in the primary visual cortex V1. Portilla-Simoncelli statistics, on the other hand, comprise a texture model which contains higher-order statistics computed over the outputs of V1 light filters. They are associated with selectivity in mid-level visual areas, and they are important for human perception. As an example, on the top right, we have a natural texture, a texture synthesized using Portilla-Simoncelli statistics, and a texture synthesized using only spectral statistics. We see here that the Portilla-Simoncelli statistics allow for the synthesis of textures of much higher perceptual quality. Finally, these two sets of statistics come together into a summary statistics representation model of peripheral vision, in which a first stage of oriented bandpass filters is analogous to V1 and sensitive to spectral statistics, while a second stage computes the Portilla-Simoncelli statistics over the outputs of the filters and is analogous to areas V2 and V4. In a recently published study in which we probed the summary statistics encoding model using human psychophysics, we found that the higher order statistics of the Portilla-Simoncelli model induce much weaker segmentation than spectral statistics. For this, we used a texture discrimination task with stimuli like the one shown here, in which the task involved identifying the texture in a central patch while ignoring an uninformative surround texture. We measured task performance for conditions with different target-surround dissimilarities, which consisted in completely matched target and surround, a surround dissimilar to the center in higher-order statistics, or in both spectral and higher-order statistics. We also compared the results to discontinuous stimuli to control for non-segmentation effects. On the right, we see the task performance at the experimental conditions for 4 different textures used. These results match what can be seen in the example stimuli, where the target pops out when it is dissimilar to the surround in spectral statistics, but blends in when they are only dissimilar in higher-order statistics. Given the known perceptual relevance of Portilla-Simoncelli statistics for perception and physiology, this raises the question: if Portilla-Simoncelli statistics are relevant for perception, as shown in several previous studies, why do they only induce weak segmentation? To explain this observation, we hypothesized that Portilla-Simoncelli statistics and spectral statistics are redundant for the task of segmentation in natural images. Therefore, resource constraints may lead the visual system to rely mainly on spectral statistics. To test this hypothesis, we trained classifier models in a natural image segmentation task using the Berkeley segmentation dataset. We extracted pairs of patches from the images that could either belong to different segments within the image or to the same segment within the image. Then, we trained classifier models to use the statistics of the patches to indicate whether they belong to the same or to different segments. To compare the contribution of the different statistics, we used either spectral statistics alone, Portilla-Simoncelli statistics alone, or both groups of statistics together to solve the task. When using a linear classifier to solve the task, we observed that all combinations of statistics allowed for a good performance in the segmentation task. Furthermore, we observed that the spectral statistics model alone performed similarly to the spectral statistics plus higher order statistics model, despite a 5 times increase in parameters. This is in agreement with our hypothesis that the higher order statistics of the Portilla-Simoncelli model are highly redundant with spectral statistics for the task of segmentation in natural images. We also observed similar results when using a neural network classifier, as well as when changing the task from natural image segmentation to texture segmentation. In conclusion, we observed that Portilla-Simoncelli statistics are a much weaker segmentation cue than spectral statistics in human perception. This is in line with the study of other simpler higher-order statistics. Also, in natural images, segmentation models using spectral statistics alone performed similarly than models incorporating Portilla-Simoncelli statistics. Thus, the weak role of Portilla-Simoncelli statistics in segmentation may be due to a redundancy with the simpler spectral statistics found in natural images. Future directions of this work involve identifying images where Portilla-Simoncelli statistics are more informative for image segmentation and testing whether humans segment these more strongly. Also, testing the contribution of Portilla-Simoncelli statistics to other computer vision tasks may help understand the high perceptual relevance of this set of statistics. Thanks for your attention, and we hope to see you in the poster sessions in cosine.